Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 716 of trying a new makeup product every day. Before I get into the product, I want to give a special shout out to my friend Rhonda. So Rhonda, if you're watching this, sending you my love. Okay, so the product that I'm trying out today is a product from my January 2020 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box, and it's the Sugar Cosmetics Wingman Waterproof Eyeliner in shade 01 Alibi Black. So this has a retail value of $11.99. So as always, I will have my unboxing video in the description down below if you haven't seen my unboxing of my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box. But this description on the card here is pretty appealing. It says, get the best cat eye of your life. Ooh. With this jet black liquid liner. It says it's firm, easy to control tip, draws clean, crisp lines, no pro skills are required. And it's 100% waterproof, which is awesome. I love that in a liquid liner. And then it gives you a little tip and it says, shake the pen before use and store it upside down, which is such a great tip because it prevents the tip from drying out. So I'll have to remember that for all of my liquid liners to store them upside down. But so the brand Sugar is new to me. I haven't heard of them or tried out any of their products yet, but I got 2 Sugar liners in my January 2020 glam bags. And I feel like whenever something has like a matte packaging to it, I just find it a little bit more like nice and luxurious. And so this is not tested on animals. All right, let's check it out. Ooh, it looks like a very fine pointy tip. So you can see it here is what it looks like. And I am gonna try it out on my hand. Ooh, and it's a flexible, soft felt tip. That's my favorite type of liquid liner, and it drew so easily. Seriously, that full black. So, ooh, this does seem really great. Okay, so as I've said many times before, I am not the best at liquid liner, but I'm just gonna go for it. I'm gonna start out by just doing a thin line along my upper lash line. So easy to write with, so easy to get such a thin line. Like this right here, I think looks great, like complementary to my eye shape. It helps add a little extra glam and emphasis to the makeup look, but in such a quick and easy way. So here, the eye with the eyeliner versus without it. And that was seriously so easy. And it's completely black, a straight line. I'm curious. Yeah, it already dried down, which is great. Absolutely no smudging or fading. So this really is going to stay put. Now I am gonna go ahead and try to do a wing, but I'm gonna try and do a small controlled wing. I think I did it. I think I did it easily too. I am so impressed because it is not easy for me to get a winged eyeliner look, but this liner actually makes it easy to do it. Just like it said, it really did live up to those claims. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye. I am gonna use both hands and use this mirror here in front of me because I feel like I have to pull my eye and it makes it so much easier. But it's also so easy to get right down to that lower lash line because I don't like when there's like the eyelid showing slightly underneath the liner and my lashes. And this, since it's such a pointy fine tip, it can get right down to the lashes so that there's no separation. I just love how full black and smooth and thin this line is. It's exactly what I want for my liquid liners. I'm trying to do another wing. Let's see if I can get them somewhat symmetrical. I'm noticing that the liner, it's like I shake it and I don't really feel anything, but it's kind of getting a little bit dried out already. So I'll definitely want to make sure to store it upside down, but I wish it was just a little bit more inky right now. Well, there we have it. I'm actually pretty happy with this winged eyeliner look, which I'm pleasantly surprised that I was able to achieve this. But so, let me go ahead and do a zoomed in view so that you can really see what this liner looks like. So I am really happy with it, especially for $11.99. I feel like that's a fair price point for this product since it applied so beautifully. It's a great formula that's not going to budge, and it does have a shiny finish, which I like. I think that's pretty. So I was, when I first got this, a little disappointed to get another liquid eyeliner, but now after trying it out and seeing how great it really is, I'm really happy to have this. And seeing the winged eyeliner look that I was able to do, I actually feel like I'm gonna get good use out of this and do more winged liner looks. So of course, I would love to know in the comments down below if you've tried this liner or any other products from the brand Sugar and what your thoughts are, what your recommendations would be. And as always, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.